Happy morning children, how are you? I hope you are all well and good. Okay, now I am going to teach the subject first standard maths. Chapter name is addition. A D D I T I O N. Addition. I repeat again. A D D I T I O N. Addition. You are all studied at UKG, no? Okay, addition means total of two or more numbers. What is mean by addition, ma? Addition means total of two or more numbers. Addition. A D D I T I O N. Addition means M E A N S means total. T O T A L total of O F of 2 T W O 2 R O R more M O R E more numbers N U M B E R S numbers. Addition means total of two or more numbers. Addition means countings. Okay children. Okay, now addition symbol is plus symbol. Everyone know the symbol. This is a addition symbol. Now addition of single digit number. Okay, A D D I T I O N. Addition of O F of single S I N G L E single digit D I G I T digit number N U M B E R addition of single digit numbers. What is mean by single, ma? Single means ஒரே ஒரு number, one digit number. Okay, 0 to 9. These are all single digit numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are single digit numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are all single digit numbers. Students, this is a single digit number or double digit number? Yes, this is a double digit number. Okay, here two digits number, no, 0 and 1. So this is a double digit number. There are two types of additions, count and write and vertical addition. Now we are going to see count and write. C-O-U-N-T count and A-N-D and write W-R-I-T-E write count and write. You all know count. Count means what, ma? Example, I have a lot of chocolates, no? The பார்த்த உடனே உங்களுக்கு தெரியுதா இதில் எவ்வளோ chocolates இருக்குன்னு? தெரியலல்ல. So you count it, you must count it, no? Let's start the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have a 9 chocolates. Okay children, this is the counting. Okay, you all see the balloons. Balloons எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு தெரியுதாமா? இப்போ நம்ம இதை கவுண்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஓகேயா? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many balloons are there? Repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 balloons, no? You have to write the number 4. இங்கே என்ன நம்பர் போடணும்? 4 போடணும். ஓகேயா? Next you put the plus symbol. You put the plus symbol. This is the addition symbol. Okay children? Next here 1, 2. இங்கே எத்தனை balloons இருக்கு? 2 balloons இருக்கா? So you have to write the number 2. Total number of balloons. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்? நமக்கு total தான் வேணும். அப்போ இந்த balloons எல்லாமே count பண்ணணும். Okay children? Let's start the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you have to write the number 6 in this box. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. I'll repeat again. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. The answer is 6. Okay children, count and write. Count and write means இங்க இருக்கிற pictures பார்த்து நீ count பண்ணி போடணும். This is a method. Okay children. Now I am going to teach the vertical addition. Vertical addition. Vertical. V E R T I C A L. Vertical. V E R T I C A L. Vertical addition. A D D I T I O N. Addition. I'll repeat again. Vertical addition. Vertical means you have to write the number one by one. Okay children, you all see the ice cream, no? How many ice creams are there, ma? You have to count it. Okay, 1 2 3. How many ice creams are there? 1 2 3. You have to write the number is 3. Okay children, and here how many ice creams are there? There is only one ice cream, so you have to write the number 1. Now add the total of ice creams. Okay children, let's start the count. 1 2 3 4. Your answer is 4. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now you got the answer is 4. Okay children, I'll repeat again. Vertical addition means you have to write the number one by one. Here 3 ice creams, no? So you have to write the number is 3, and here you have only one ice cream, so you have to write the number is 1. Add the total of ice creams. 1 2 3 4. The answer is 4. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay children, you are all understood? Okay children, now I am going to do the book exercise. All of you take the book page number 36. All of you take the book page number 36. Addition using beads. Okay children, all of you take the book page number 36, and the heading was addition using beads. Okay children, now I am going to take the book exercise. All of you take your maths book, and the book page number is 36, and the book page number is 36. All of you take the book page number 36. Addition using beads. Okay children, addition using beads. Addition using beads. Addition. A D D I T I O N. Addition. Using. U S I N G. Using beads. B E A D S. Beads. Addition using beads. Now we are using beads. Okay, addition பண்றதுக்கு நம்ம beads use பண்ண போறோம். Here what is the number ma? 5. So you have to draw the 5 beads. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. You have to draw the 5 beads. Next, here 4. So you have to draw the 4 beads. 1 2 3 4. Here 4. So you have to write the 4 beads. Now you have to count all the beads. Okay children, let's start the count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. The answer is 9. Okay children, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. I'll repeat again. Addition using beads. This is one of the method. Okay, children. So here 5. So you have to draw the 5 beads, and here 4. You have to draw the 4 beads. Total of beads. Total number of beads. Okay, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 9. You are all understood? Now we are going to see the sum is addition using fingers. Okay, children, addition using fingers. Now we are going to use fingers. Okay, fingers வச்சு நம்ம எப்படி addition பண்ண போறோம்னு பார்க்க போறோம். Okay, children, let's raise your hands. You have how many fingers you have, ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have a 10 fingers, no? Okay. Now you see the first sum. First number is 2. So you have to take a 2 fingers in this hand. 1, 2. And second number is 3. So you have to take 3 fingers in this hand. 1, 2, 3. In this hand 2, in this hand 3. So you have to combine together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the answer is 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. You write the answer. You have to write the number is 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And same method we are using. Okay, children. Here 4. So you have to take a 4 fingers in this hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here you have to take a 4. So you have to take a 4 fingers in this hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to combine together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Now the answer is 8. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Okay, children, I'll repeat again. Addition using fingers. Addition using fingers. A, D, D, I, T, I, O, N. Addition using. U, S, I, N, G. Using fingers. F, I, N, G, E, R, S. Fingers. So here 2. So you have to take a 2 fingers, and 3. You have to take a 3 fingers on another hand. 2 plus 3. இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பரையும் கவுண்ட் பண்ணி 5 போட போகிறோம். ஸோ ரெண்டு ஹேண்டில் இருக்கிற ஃபிங்கர்ஸையும் கவுண்ட் பண்ணி 5 போட்டாச்சு. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், இங்கே செகண்ட் சம் 4 இருக்குது, இங்கேயும் 4 இருக்குது. ஸோ 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. The answer is 8. Okay. Thank you children. I hope you are all understood all the sums. We will meet the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.